Good morning, everybody. It's funny, before I hit record, it showed the screen nice and bright. It looked pretty. Now I hit record, now it looks dark. I'm in Walcott, Iowa at the Highway 80 truck stop. I'm a nose supposed to itch. I'll go sneeze in a minute. Anyway, truck stop's way down there. Don't know if you can see it in there. Anyway, it's a long walk down there, that truck to the building. But I'm going to walk down there and eat me some breakfast and take a shower. And then walk all the way back out here. I'm getting my exercise today. It is cold, 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 cold. I think it's like 23 degrees out there. It's starting to cloud up. I hope it doesn't snow on us. I'm having some kind of problem with my APU. Otherwise I'd still be asleep. I woke up freezing. Shivering, freezing. My APU was shut off. I'm going to find out it's got some kind of issue. It shut everything off. The bunk heater will work without the APU running, but when it shut off, it shut everything off. So I had to restart it, turn on the bunk heater, leave the APU turned off. So I have heat, but no battery charger. So that's a drag. I have to start the truck every now and then to keep the battery charged until we get that figured out. Always something with this truck. Boss man ain't too happy with his truck. Giving us hell. Seems like every time I go back, something goes wrong with it. I don't know. I try to take care of it, I really do. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to eat some breakfast. And I will catch up to you guys afterwards. We might go over to the museum, maybe. I might go over to the museum. See if they'll let me record over there. There's some pretty trucks over there. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all in a bit. Chorizo and taters and eggs and toast and coffee. So there, now you saw it all. Hello again. So that was the shower in the Iowa 80 truck stop. And Linda, you saw the rest of my dragon now. And you saw my breakfast. That pickup truck that's in the restaurant there, that's a 1939 International Model D2. It's a nice little pickup. I didn't make it over to the museum. By the time I got out of the shower, my phone was about to run out of energy. I'm at 11% right now. I got it plugged in, so it'll charge up. I ain't gonna make it over there today. I'm gonna try to catch a nap before I leave out of here. And which I'm leaving out of here in, well, I don't have to leave out of here till this evening, so I'll sleep as long as I need to. So yeah, I just got back to the drugstore, bought some of my jacket. I gotta put some coolant in it. I got a coolant leak somewhere, I guess. I gotta put some coolant in the truck so I can idle it, since my APU's not working. Because it's low right now. Anyway, so I will talk to you folks later. I'll update you again maybe tonight sometime. Like I said, I'm going to leave out of here late this evening, so maybe I'll do a video then, update you when I'm leaving. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Stay warm. Bye.